We're here today at the mothership. Hopefully, we'll get to see our Airstream being born. That's right, today we're at Jackson Center, Ohio, and we're going on the factory tour. Our Airstream is in process and is due offline in 3 days, so we're hoping that we're going to get to see it, but who knows. Start your adventure today. Airstream is the largest manufacturer in Jackson Center, Ohio, currently employing over 1,000 craftsmen. The factory operations take place in 235,000 square feet, with up to 40 trailers rolling out of the factory every week. Over 130 sheets of aluminum are used daily. And Airstream is in the process of a $5.5 million expansion where they'll be able to produce up to 100 trailers per week. The new plant will be topping 775,000 square feet.
And then when you're ready, we're going to walk right through here. Then move back across the road where we manufacture the homes. And then straight ahead is the base camp. So
Our guide is Gary Bird today, and he started with Airstream back in the 1950s. In the 70s, Airstream hit some hard times and did odd jobs to keep the doors open and the lights on. Airstream built UPS and postal trucks. They also built the first 13 people mover cars that transport people between terminals in the Atlanta airport. Then Thor bought Airstream from Beatrice Foods and is doing a $5.5 million investment in Airstream. There are over 80 Airstream dealers in the US today. There are 9 in Canada and 9 other countries. 5% of all Airstreams built are bound for international destinations. If only it was that easy with the truck, right? Wow. This Airstream started out as parts this morning, and now about 4 hours later, this is the rolling chassis. Airstream takes about 3 days to build each unit, and each door on the Airstream takes 8 hours by itself. Okay, we got to see our unit at the Airstream factory.